So that's a reversed reverb effect that we did here in Pro Tools really quick with our AudioSuite plugin. So we took this here
if you need someone to turn to
and turned it into this.
If you need someone to turn to.
And it's really just one click. So let's set it up real quick here. All you need to do is come up here to AudioSuite Reverb, and the reverb plugins in the AudioSuite menu have a reverse button on them. So we don't need to come to other first and then go down and grab our reverse plugin, reverse everything, run it through a reverb, and then reverse it again. We don't need to do that, okay? Reverb, choose whatever you want. We'll just use Deverb because it's nice and simple to use. And let's just find something here, a vocal in this case.
If you need someone to turn to.
Very good. Of course, we can preview this with the reverb going forward.
If you need someone to turn to.
Adjust your settings.
If you need someone to turn to. If you need someone to turn to.
And that's it. Let me make this a little bit larger. All you need to do now to get that reverse reverb effect is choose the reverse button. Now watch what happens to this file. Watch how it gets turned around, runs through the plugin in reverse, and they turn it back around. So watch here. Go ahead and hit reverse. Boom, boom, boom. There we go. Now let's listen to what we have.
If you need someone to turn to.
Just that easy, man. So of course you can do this with a ton of different things for creative purposes. Let's come down here to this reversed impact that we made earlier. Might be cool to put reverse reverb on that too. So just grab a reverb, any one that we want. We'll just grab one from IK Multimedia here. And we'll say we just want maybe this section right here. Maybe do something weird. Okay, there we go. This is going to be odd. Okay. So you can do a lot of creative things with not just reverse, but the reverse reverb. So a classic thing to reverse is, of course, snare, right? Get that a lot. So if we just listen to this, you know, just a straight up snare there. Let's go ahead and reverse it real quick. Put the reverse reverb effect on it. Of course, adjust things however you want. Maybe choose a preset here. We'll say pulsing. Listen to it forward. That's cool. Pull the wet down some though. And let's reverse it. Gonna be kind of weird here. So that's really all there is to it to get that cool reversed reverb effect here in Pro Tools, AudioSuite Reverb. Select whichever reverb plugin that you like, select your clip, and just reverse it.